Hi, everybody. It's Ananda Lake here with the Thriving Mindfully Academy. And if you'd like to know more about the Thriving Mindfully Academy, go to anandaleek.com/academy. And there you will find resources about mindfulness, meditation, self care, and wellness. Just four of the things that I love to share with people just like you. So today I'm answering a question that I've been receiving from a number of folks. How do you navigate stress? What's an easy tool? Well, guess what? I've got one just for you, and it comes from my own personal practice. It's something I've been using for a number of years and with my clients. I call it the Thriving Mindfully De-Stress Tool. And what it does is it breaks down the word stress. So let's start. The S in stress, the first S, stands for stop. Stop what you're doing. Just stop. The T stands for take time out to breathe. So you can start by having a moment that I like to call a mindful moment with 3 to 5 deep breaths. So you're breathing in through your nose and then out through the mouth. In again through the nose, out through the mouth. One more time, in again through the nose, out through the mouth. So with those cleansing breaths, you're giving yourself an opportunity to make your breath your BFF, because without your breath, you wouldn't be alive. And you're creating space to do what the letter R in stress is, which is reflect on what's happening in your body, in your mind, in your heart, in your spirit, in your life. You want to make sure that you give yourself some space through that take time out to breathe step to really check in with yourself. So the E in stress is energize yourself with deep breathing and mindful movement. I call it the powerful combo. You want this powerful combo because moving the body in whatever way that you can, and I recognize some folks may not be able to move like others, so it depends on your ability to move. But whatever you can do to move your body and to breathe deeply will help you release the stress in the body. It will help energize you. Now, we're moving on to the second S in stress, and that is all about set an intention for practicing mindful self-care. Set an intention to practice mindful self-care. So what is an intention? An intention is a statement of what you would like to experience. That's right. An intention is a statement about what you like to experience. And I like to go a little bit further. Intentions in my life are commitments. Commitments to myself that I am worthy of whatever I am intending to be and to do. So what is mindful self-care? Mindful self-care is the act of nurturing your spirit, your heart, your mind, your body, the breath, the life that you have in ways that uplift you. And some examples are deep breathing, moving the body, mindful walking, yoga, meditating, prayer, affirmations, written meditation, which is mindful journaling, dancing, moving to music, listening to music, singing, chanting, drawing, even washing the dishes mindfully can be a form of self-care. Take a moment to think about what uplifts you. Maybe it's a devotional reading. Maybe it is listening to a podcast or an inspiring message or reading inspiring quotes. Maybe it's something creative that you like to do. Maybe it is taking a bubble bath or having a moment in your shower or using bubble bath. sipping tea. It can mean so many things, but it is uplifting you and it's nurturing your spirit, your heart, your mind, your body, your breath, and your life. So the last S in the stress acronym is start where you are and take small steps to practice mindful self-care. There are a lot of S's there. So start where you are. Don't try to get it right. Just start where you are. Maybe where you are is just deep breathing, and that's okay. You may do that for 30, 60, 90 days, 6 months, or a year. That may be it. And that's a beautiful thing. Small steps. Take small steps. One breath in the morning. Just a deep breath in and a deep breath out before you get out of bed. Don't try to have a full yoga practice. Maybe do one stretch. That's it. Just one stretch. And maybe that's inhaling and bringing the shoulders up, exhaling and bringing them down. So start where you are and take small steps as you begin to practice mindful self-care. Well, that's all I got for you today. If you want more, go to anandalik.com/academy and check out the Thriving Mindfully Academy's resources. I'm sure you will find something that will help you and nurture you. And if you like this video and it's been of benefit to you, do a few things. First of all, like it, then share it with somebody or somebodies that you know that would be blessed by it. And also leave a comment about how you are practicing mindful self-care and how this video has helped you. If you'd like to know more about my journey from recovering lawyer and investment banker to the wellness professional, author, and artist that I am today, check out my mindful creativity memoir, That Which Awakens Me. It is available on Amazon. You can go to anandalik.com/books to learn about That Which Awakens Me, as well as my yoga-inspired novel called Love's Troubadours. Love's Troubadours is the story of a yoga teacher who's kind of like me, but not like me, and the ups and downs that she experiences in her life and how she uses mindfulness, meditation, yoga, spirituality, art, her support network of a family, friends, and a therapist, music, world travel, and even online dating to navigate her life. So check it out. The book is also on Amazon. And then my third book is a mindful technology memoir called Digital Sisterhood. And Digital Sisterhood celebrates all of the time that I've spent online since 1986. Can you believe that? I logged on for the first time in 1986. And the power and presence that women have played in my digital life and career. So check them all out at Amazon. Go to anandalik.com/books. If you're looking for an online community, go to Facebook and join the A Mindful Cup of Tea Facebook group. Go to facebook.com/groups/mindful cup of tea, just like the tea you drink. And you'll find over 460, I think, members at this point that are discussing mindfulness, self-care, wellness, and all kinds of positive inspiration. Tune into the Thriving Mindfully podcast for more resources, tools, and tips and guided meditation. Go to soundcloud.com/Ananda-Leak. Again, thank you so much. And as always, may we continue to embrace thriving mindfully in everything we feel, think, say, and do. Namaste, y'all.